Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Development of Android application-based wrestling learning media in COVID-19 pandemic by Tatang Iskandar. Introduction. In COVID-19 pandemic, Android learning media become one of the right choice because almost all students of physical education, health and recreation of Islam 45 University Bekasi as Android phone. Sensor Tower report in the first quarter of 2020 data consumption for mobile application download increased to reach 596 million gigabytes. This number increased by 34% when compared to the same period last year, particularly 2020. Android is an open source operating system. That means it is complementary and free to us for app developers. This is very easy for developers of Android application or apps developers. Users also get some benefit because it is easy to obtain or download application. Through the Play Store, user can download various applications for free or for a fee depending on the developer or maker. Sutiasi and Saputri 2019. Android is an operating system that contains middleware as well as basic application rule and Hakim 2015. Learning media application using Android-based smartphone provide feasible, practical, and efficient for us in learning. Lumo 2017. The purpose of the study is to develop an Android application that can be used as a learning medium wrestling courses for students of physical education, health and recreation, Islam for the University Bekasi. Research method is in the research and development method. Research and development method is a research method as to produce a particular product and test the effectiveness of the product. Sugiono 2016. Development procedure refers to the ADDIA development model Dick and Carey 1996, which consists of 5 stages. They include analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Analysis stage, material analysis, curriculum analysis, objective analysis, capability level analysis. Design stage, design of material item to be presented, preparation of material delivery flow in the form of flow card and collection of material needed in media development. Development stage media creation using software builder apps. Implementation stage assessment by media expert, material experts, and field practitioners, as well as limited trial implementation and evaluation stage. Span of Android learning media development. The data collected is quantitative and qualitative data. Quantitative data is obtained from assessment and responses by expert validators and target user, meanwhile qualitative data was obtained from criticism, suggestion, and responses provided by the test subjects. Data collection instrument used is the form of classed questionnaires and suggestion. The aspect of assessment should refer to aspect of assessment developed by Elizabeth and Economides. Result and discussion. The result of the development is an Android wrestling learning application. This application presents 5 main menus that are both the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, the history of wrestling material, attendance, and me. The menu content about of Faculty of Teacher Training and Education of Universitas Islam 45 Bekasi, which automatically connected to the official Instagram of FKIP, so that student will not be led for information about FKIP and become a means of promotion of FKIP. On the menu history content, the history of world wrestling, the development of wrestling in Indonesia, and then the material of wrestling development. The material menu content gymnastic or wrestling formation material, needs slam, foot attack technique, basic of bottom attack technique, defensive techniques, Greco-Roman wrestling rules, and a complete training video. The attendance menu contains lecture attendance column. My menu contains lecture profile and lecture social media links. The display of learning media Android application on a mobile phone's development can be seen in the picture below. Result and discussion. The result of the validity test were obtained from material expert by 92.30% for Android application as a learning medium for wrestling, and from material expert by 86.43% for the assessment of Android application as a learning medium of wrestling. Thus, it can be concluded that the learning media developed through the Android application has been valid and worth using. The wrestling learning media application developed in this study cannot be run on all types of mobile devices, considering that this application can only be run on Android-based mobile devices and Windows operating laptops. Because of that, it is happened that the development of application with type that can be run off device with different operating system is expected. With the development of learning application on mobile device, it is happened that it can increase the benefit of mobile device in education and provide motivation for student learning. With application like this, it can provide an interesting and new learning safety for students. Conclusion. The product development is present learning media in the form of an Android application. This app is compatible with Android phone and laptop or computers with Windows operating system. The application installer is packaged in the form of an APK file. This application presents 5 main menus that are about the faculty of teacher training and education, the history of wrestling material, attendance, and the menu FK content about the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education of Universitas Islam 45 Bekasi, which is automatically connected to the official Instagram of FKIP, so that student will not be led for information about FKIP and become a means of promotion of FKIP. When the menu history contains the history of world wrestling, the development of wrestling in Indonesia, and the material of wrestling development. The material menu contains gymnastic or wrestling formation material, next slam, foot technique, basic bottom technique, defensive technique, Greco-Roman wrestling rules, and a complete training video. The attendance menu contains a lecture attendance column. My menu contains lecture profile and lecture social media links. The display of learning media Android application on HP development can be seen in the picture below. Based on the result of the feasibility test, it was obtained 92.33% for material expert, 86.43% for media expert, and 78.72% for target user. Therefore, the application development is suitable for us as a wrestling learning media. Thank you.